Derelict. Someone in there has had a really good time.
Oh, excellent, really good time. Yeah, haven't I?
Should we go around?
Is that a caravan down there?
Yeah, I think go around that way.
Yeah. This is the big gate here though.
Is it old?
God, we don't want to go under that route.
No, we don't want to be inside.
No, we don't.
Is there a way that I see if we can go around this island?
Well, that's passing that gate where their house can see us. I think go around this way.
Where's the van? Just like, shall we stick this stealthy stick in here?
Yeah. Look, got you this. God, that is really good. Opportunity. Leaving footprint spell.
That looks like it isn't like being used. It's all like quite fresh, wet shit.
Being quiet here because it's a bit dodgy.
Let's look straight round over there.
Hey? Yeah.
Look straight round. You ready?
Yeah.
Go fast.
Go. Go, Bill.
Go fast.
Oh.
Go fast, come on.
Hang on. You've got to move it, move it. You've got to move it, move it. CCTV inspiration. Is there? I think they're lying. That's where Bill's sleeping tonight. She doesn't know yet, like.
Is that bullet holes?
Oh, yeah. Looks like. That's where you've been trying to shoot me.
Oh, yes.
I think that's someone's garden there, isn't it?
This will be the back of here. I think the CCTV is beyond these corners.
I don't know, we won't go that way. I think that does, can you? What you wanting to do? Oh, you wanting to go in there?
So, we have to walk across there, and there's a house over the road. Should I just do it?
Just do it. Just go straight in for the kill, go on.
Yeah, but the nettles will kill me first.
Well, you know your job.
Oh, have a look through the letterbox.
Oh, what a good idea. Someone else has already tried this. Because look, it's already been walked in. Oh, I can't see now. Sad. And I don't want to put my phone in case it drops in there.
And I can see a chair.
Can you? Yeah. Try and get it then, Bill. Excuse.
No.
It's not picking it up.
There's a little. I can see a little table. don't know if the camera's picking up a little wing-back chair. Either way, it would have been super cute. You know what I say? Cute as shit. Let me see if I can... Excuse the photography skills or lack of. Nope. Sorry guys. Oh, hang on. No, nope, sorry guys. Wow, Bill is getting so daring lately. I don't know what's come over her. I didn't even look. I just went straight in.
Caged animals in here.
Oh God, the old,
But there's a lot of spiders in here.
the old drinky pops. Yeah, they have. Like maybe they had ferrets. Some kind of
Old wardrobe. That is a
Wardrobe.
tiny kid's wardrobe, isn't it?
yeah, maybe. Maybe it's where they kept the naughty kids. Brits painted pink. Oh, what's in there? I don't. Oh, let's see the date. We always love a good date, don't we? Oh, 1989.
Is it?
Yeah. No, I'm lying.
Oh, you would have been.
1989. Oops. I don't know what else is in there. Not putting my hand in there. Meat hooks.
Oh, can't never get away from meat hooks.
No. So I don't know what this could have been here. Oh. God, look at that. Look how old it must have been.
I've seen all these bottles of martini and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, put your hand in the hole. Or maybe not. That
Is
is,
it a spider?
no, I'm just saying, it doesn't look like much of a glorious hole to me. Not to me. Not to me, not today. That looks like an old set.
All the old milk bottles down there.
Oh, that's an old set of bathroom skills behind your feet.
Yeah, so it is.
Behind your plates of meat.
You need to lighten up. Oh, look what's happening. There, look, you need to lighten up.
Oh, well, you tried to crack a joke and you knocked your phone.
I did, yeah.
There's the jokes to
The
comedian.
There's a lot of these.
I've already been in on
Have you done them?
Yeah. Oh,
Are
yeah.
them, are they all the old milk bottles? Are they?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's really quite funny, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. How can things be just laid around for us to crack a joke? Off the cuff. Straight off the cuff as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Because the old leg switch.
Oh, yeah.
Where's my
It's
finger?
ancient like you.
Pink, sorry. Rude. See in the door?
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice door handle.
It is.
I like a door handle, did you know?
You've never told me before. Right. Let's not think too much about it. Where are you going now?
Oh. It's just those bits of shite from earlier.
Yeah. Oh well, that's it then. That is it.
I know. I've looked through that window.
Oh.
It's a smashed window. I mean, we're right out near the main road now, so if we're going to get
It's all aside. Oh, it goes down like. There's no in there but cobwebs.
we just blatantly walk over here.
Are you gonna?
I'm just going to go and get a picture in from the front.
Oh yeah.
You follow it quickly though. quickly there and back.
Got all these brambles and everything to comprehend.
Quickly nip the cans into there.
Hang on, don't want to get the noses in over the road.
Is that your I think you could extend a bit further on that selfie stick.
You're right. Nice work, maybe. Oh, dropped the camera. Recorded anything?
Are you serious?
It didn't record anything.
You're recording now.
Yeah, but I didn't record. I can't believe that.
Right, Bill has just done loads of footage.
Yeah.
Failed to record. So I'm just going to whip this in quickly to see what we can see in there. She did do it earlier and bloody nearly dropped the phone inside because that's Bill for you. I thought we're not going to get back around the other side. There's all them houses over the road like you've just seen.
Yeah.
No chance of getting in any of
I
this.
can't believe that. All that time I've been recording and I wasn't even recording.
What a numpty. Everywhere we go is full of bloody nettles.
So, there was. I even put it in there and obviously it weren't recording.
Well, I'll put it back in just as a little double check.
I don't think there's out in there.
No. Woo!
It's getting loose, I think it needs
It's getting loose like you.
Now we're just going to walk
Should
up
you
here.
be in charge of that?
Why are you in my face?
You raised up in my grid.
In your boat race.
In my boat race. Right, I think we need to walk fast.
Yeah, like the road runner.
Like the road runner. Ooh. That's where you need to say stop stepping. I mean, stop stopping looking for pottery.
Oh.
Right, quick one. Come on, bilious hog. Warning, this site is under surveillance. Oh, no, this is actually just in use, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks it.
Yeah, because that was just that gate we were going to climb over and then changed our minds.
Oh. Right.
Well, that's a nice...
Yeah, it is. Right, I'm going to flip it round. Right. What am I doing here? I don't even know what I'm doing. You okay?
I just snot your nose, sorry.
Right.
Sorry, you should know better at my age. Have a handkerchief.
Dying. Right,
PC
that
now.
is the end of this one, and we'll see you definitely on the next one.
Okay.
I hope I didn't spit there.
You did like